Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liliana, and today we're jumping into this beautiful 90s inspired makeup look that was seen and worn on Kourtney Kardashian. So this is the look right here. Let me unlock my phone. This is the look right here. Right when I saw this look, I was like, damn, that's hot. That's 90s. It's very seductive. It's monochromatic from her eyeshadow to her blush to her lips. Everything is like on point, fire. I love it. So I'm going to be doing that look for you guys. I would have done the hair tutorial, but I was sitting here deciding whether or not I was going to do a red smoky eye or this look. And I was just like, fuck it, I'm going to do this look. And that's it. So I did my hair off camera, but it was very easy. Since I already have a short blunt cut, all I did was take a straightener and a comb. And as I was going down with the straightener, I just flipped in real quick and bada boom, there you have it. And I just made sure that all of it was pointing towards the inside, just like the 90s. This is very Cruel Intentions, I feel. Like I feel like a brunette Sarah Michelle Gellar.
In English, I'll fuck your brains out.
So getting started on this 90s inspired tutorial slash Kourtney Kardashian look, I already did my eyebrows and my base off camera, and it just saves time when, you know, I want the video to be a little short because I take forever to do my eyebrows. Anyway, so getting started on the eyeshadow, I noticed that Kourtney's eyeshadow, the transition shade is kind of like almost like a lavender. You can pick that up, let's see. So I'm going in with the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to be using the shade Dusty Rose. And we'll start that. So I'm taking this big BH Cosmetics fluffy brush and a compact mirror. And I'm just gonna start blending on the crease. So I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to blend it out, and I'm blending back and forth and in circular motions like I always do. And don't mind the marks on my hands, it's because of my eyebrows. So I'm going to go into Modern Renaissance and I'm going to use Bougie Fresco. And I'm taking the Luxie 249 brush and I'm using the fluffier side. And I'm just going to build up that lavender shade. So I'm just going to do the same with the other side. And all I'm doing is just following what I did with the first shade and blending it in. So I'm just using back and forth motions. I'm going back in with a fluffy brush and I'm not adding any more product onto this, and I'm just going to buff out the edges. Now going back in with the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be using the shade Love Letter. Use the flat brush on the Luxie 249, the flat side on the Luxie 249. You get what I'm saying. I'm going to build that pink up right underneath the crease. So I'm just going to start tapping and like pray that this doesn't mess up. And now I'm just buffing out that harsh line right there. So I can see in the photo that she does have a little bit of champagne shimmer on the eyes, so I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer, and I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm just going to put a little bit on this flat brush. And I'm going to make like a, I don't know, like a reflection and like an ocean type of style on the lid. So I'm just going back and forth and drawing lines. So I'm just going to buff out the edges on the concealer. So this doesn't have to be perfect at all. It honestly just looks like it was just patted on with, you know, a thumb. It looks really effortless. Going in with the Masquerade palette by Juvias Place. And I'm going to be using the shade Giza. And I'm going to put this where I put the concealer. So basically, I'm going to go back in with all the purple and type of pink shades that I did use, and I'm going to just blend in the edges. So right now I'm using Dusty Rose. Then I'm going to go back in with Blonde Fresco. We're just going to call it Rouge Fresca. From the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm just going to do a thin line of liner, just so it makes the eyelashes look pretty and everything just looks more sharp and well done, because I'm kind of sloppy at putting on lashes. So I'm going in with my usual, my matte liquid eyeliner and a eyeliner brush. Okay, for the style lashes, I went in with the Kim lashes from Sweetheart Lashes, because Kourtney Kardashian's eyelashes are very they're very wispy, and they look like, you know, they're her eyelash extensions, but some of them are coming out, but she's still trying to be cute with them. So I went with these style lashes because they're kind of the same thing. For the face, I am going in with the Professional Matte Rescue. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm just gonna put her all over my face. And somehow, once again, I am such a messy person when it comes to makeup, I swear to God. So I'm going back in with the Cream Contour Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using the lighter shade. And I'm just going to, actually no, I don't like that, that's too light. I'm gonna go in with the medium shade right here. So I'm going in with a small contour brush from God knows where. I think this handle used to be black actually. And the only thing different I'm doing with the contour is when I do get to my cheekbones, I am going to create a smaller line for the contour. Like it's not going to be as sharp. Yo, I forgot to bake. Damn, it's okay. We can still do that. I'm using my Mehron translucent powder and my wet beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna make a little bit. So once everything's blended, I'm gonna go in with a little blush because the look is monochromatic. So I'm gonna go in with a blush that I believe is almost the same color because I really don't own any blush. And I'm just going to put it right where we contoured and the apples on my cheek and above. that's why we made our contour lines like really soft and thin. So we, you know, we can add a little blush. So I'm going back in to do the bottom of my eyes with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using Bougie Fresco. I know that's not what it's called, but I don't know how to pronounce it. And I am going to sweep these under my eyes. Now I do know that she does have on a little eyeliner at the bottom of her eyes. So as usual, I use eyeshadow as eyeliner because I believe it stays longer, and I just don't like other eyeliners because they smear and they get everywhere. And I feel like I have more control when I use an eyeshadow. So I'm going back in with Noir from the Soft Glam palette. So for highlight, I am using the Omrezi and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight because right now this is just my favorite go-to highlight. It pops when you need it to, and it's really good. So my camera shut off while I was filming this part of the lips. I was using Trap from Colourpop and MAC Simply Smoked. These two shades right here. This is a lipstick that my friend left. It's mine now, bitch. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish the lips with Game On from Colourpop. And it's just a gloss, and I'm gonna put the gloss on it. Okay guys, so this is the Kourtney Kardashian 90s inspired makeup look, and I really hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to comment down below your favorite celebrity and I'll try to copy their makeup look. And that will be all for now. So just be sure to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see when I post any of my videos, be sure to hit the notification bell. But I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.